Matt Hocken. We're farming here in the Manawatu and we're on a lean journey with our farm. You'll now hear from a number of our team about what we're doing with lean on our farm.
G'day, I'm Joey Smith. I'm the Operations Manager here at Grassmere Dairy. We're striving for a continuous improvement culture with an empowered and engaged team. We have introduced a number of things to improve people empowerment and also to continuously improve our farm. We have made all information transparent using our visual management boards. This helps the team to understand where the business is at, own the information and make immediate informed decisions and actions. We also have monthly strategic meetings with the team to review the business. We share any strategic updates, learnings and industry information and celebrate success. This helps the team to be part of the bigger picture. We also use monthly farm audits to check all elements of the farm. The report with feedback is given to the farm assistant managers who then drive any improvement actions.
Sammy from Grassmere. I'm the CI champion here, which stands for Continuous Improvement, which basically means supporting anything we do to continuously improve all the processes and everything we do on the farm. We have weekly meetings with the whole team to discuss continuous improvements to any procedures that we do, or sometimes we'll even go out and just do a big activity on the farm together. That's a bit of a bigger job, like moving tyres around for stacks or grubbing thistles if it gets a bit out of hand. We really encourage and want everyone on the farm getting involved and brainstorming and giving us all their ideas so that everyone has an input and we can come up with the best ideas possible. We're starting to introduce some of the lean farm tools, so we've started introducing 5S, visualisation and standardisation of the workplace.
Hi, I am Jaya. I am working at Grassmere Dairy. Standardization is another principle that we are introducing in our farm.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I work at Grassmere Dairy. One of the tools we're doing is called 5S. So it's about finding the tools in the right spot when you need them. This is an example of a shadow board we have at Cupsoft. This is an example we have at Cupsoft.
Tony, part of a team here at Grassmere Dairy. We are introducing visualisation across the farm, including signs, labels and colour codes to make things easier for everyone.